3, 2, 1, start. A conjoint reading of the aforesaid provisions definitely indicates that in case any vehicle is to be plied on a public place or any other place, to make the insurer liable to pay the compensation under the policy of insurance. Statutory requirements have to be necessarily fulfilled, and these requirements are more strict in the case of a transport vehicle. Full stop. Needless to say that requirement of having valid license is a statutory requirement and absence of valid license is a statutory defense available to the insurance company. Full stop. It need not be highlighted that the liability of the insurance company is contractual in nature. Full stop. Insurer is only an indemnifier and he basic liability is on the wrong door. That is the driver. Thereafter, the owner is vicariously liable for wrong committed by his employee. Full stop. It is only by virtue of the contract of insurance between the owner of the vehicle and the insurance company as per chapter 11, under section 147. The insurer is liable to indemnify the owner for third party risk. Full stop. The law has developed is that in case of breach of any policy condition, after making payment to the claimant as it is beneficial legislature, the insurer can recover the amount from the owner in case of breach of any policy condition. Full stop. Under the policy, as per the statutory requirements, a vehicle owner is under statutory obligation to have itself vehicle registered. In a case of transport vehicle, necessary is to have a certificate of fitness under section 56, without which the vehicle shall not be deemed to be validly registered for the purpose of section 139, and there is a statutory obligation to have permit in a case of transport vehicle to use the vehicle in public place, whether or not such vehicle is carrying any passenger or goods for the purpose of plying in a place. Full stop. In case all or any of these statutory requirement noted above is lacking, the insurer can avoid its liability. Full stop. Apart from the statutory obligation in the terms of contract of insurance, it is clearly provided that vehicle will be driven by a duly licensed driver or otherwise the insurer will not be liable to indemnify the owner. Full stop. Having noticed above statutory requirements, the most pertinent thing to my mind is that statutory requirements may not have any relevance with the actual cause of accident or the negligence or the manner in which the accident had taken place. Full stop. For example, if the other statutory requirements are satisfied but the vehicle was not registered, still the liability can be avoided by the insurer. Full stop. Similarly, in a case of transport vehicle having a valid permit or not may not be relevant with the actual cause of accident on the issue of negligence, but still the liability can be avoided by the insurer because it is a statutory requirement and as such it is a breach of policy condition. Full stop. Similarly, there is requirement of fitness certificate in a case of transport vehicle, which is also essential for registration. Full stop.